Hey everybody, so I am taking off the winch today. Why? Well, if you read the title, you'll probably know. Let's get to undoing the winch. First things first, let's get this battery disconnected. Alright, now that we have the two wires undone, we're going to go ahead and pull them back through to get it fully disconnected. Then we'll disconnect the 4 bolts up front for the fair lead and the 4 that are underneath. Then we'll throw it in the back seat. Now, collect all the screws, bolts, nuts, put them in a bag, take them with us for later.
Many hours later.
Fog lights are free. Now for the replacement, which is in the box. Do we play the game of what's in the box? Well, if it isn't obvious what's in the box by now from previous parts of the video, they should know that it's probably a bumper.
Well, yes. Based on the box. Oh, you're giving it to me with the knives out?
Well, there's another one there, that's why.
Oh.
Whew! Alright, done. No.
Done. Let's go. We're done.
Instructions.
Wait, Corey, did you get decals?
I don't know if I got stickers, Chris.
Decals, my man. Decals.
Hold on, let's see. I do not believe
Oh,
that
come
there
on.
is a Rugged Ridge sticker.
You fail us. Rugged Ridge.
Could be a different box.
That's true.
It's probably in the bigger box because it would make more sense to put it in a bigger box.
Yes.
But at the same time, if it's big, I ain't putting it on my vehicle, sorry. Yep, that made it line up to mine.
Make sure. Okay, let me use yours then.
Not for your side. Somehow it didn't shatter.
Two washer, and I don't have any.
Hey there guys, so it's a few days later. The bumper is all together. It was done the next day. I forgot to film it. So the control unit for the winch still has to be relocated. What we've got now is the Rugged Ridge Venator Stubby. I went with this just because of the recessed winch, which if you have a Badlands winch, Rugged Ridge recessed winches do not fit well with Badlands. So we're gonna go with the ability to route that inside, or we're gonna go ahead and go the route of making a box for it, getting everything all settled into it. It'll be better that way. Now what you might notice is that in the video you might have saw the bull bar, the Venator bull bar. I went to go try to put that on the next day, and one, it's crazy hard to be able to put on, but two, I don't know about you guys, but I think it just looks better this way. I might get a custom bar made eventually, but I'm also considering using the two bolts here and here, and instead to do a light bar across there, because you know, we always need more lights. Everything else about this is great. I've already seen the difference in temperatures from having the winch not be in front of the radiators, which is perfect. And I say that because towing that boat proved to be a lot better now that that winch is recessed. There will be a follow-up video, and that will be about the box where the control unit will be going into. And just so you guys know, it is coming. I just have to wait for it to get designed. So, yep, that's where we're at with this. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the YouTube things. Thanks.